Decoding Perspective, first, second, and third person in English. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We have a very interesting topic to explore today. We'll be delving into the world of recognizing first, second, and third person perspectives. This is an essential skill in understanding and evaluating the point of view in any text you read. Before we start recognizing, let's first understand what perspective is. In simple terms, perspective in writing is about who is speaking and how the story is being told. In English, there are three perspectives: first, second, and third person. Recognizing these can change how we interpret and understand the texts we read. The first-person perspective uses pronouns such as I, me, we, and us. The narrator is a part of the story and directly talks about their experiences, feelings, and thoughts. For example, I love reading books, or we went to the park. In this case, the speaker is sharing their personal experience. Next, we have the second-person perspective. It uses the pronoun you. This point of view directly addresses the reader or listener. For example, you should read this book, or you need to study for the exam. It's often used in instructions or directions. Finally, the third-person perspective uses pronouns like he, she, it, they, or the names of people or things. The narrator is not part of the story and describes the characters and events as an outside observer. For example, he is a great athlete, or Emily loves to dance. This point of view is common in storytelling and news reporting. Now that we understand what first, second, and third-person perspectives are, let's practice identifying them. When you're reading a text, pay attention to the pronouns and how the story is being told. Ask yourself, is the narrator a part of the story, first person, speaking directly to me, second person, or an outside observer, third person? This simple question will help you recognize the perspective. And that wraps up our discussion on identifying first, second, and third-person perspectives in texts. We hope this video helps you better understand and identify the different points of view in the texts you read. Remember, understanding the perspective can greatly enhance your reading comprehension skills. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing.